Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. In today's video, we will show you how to send SMS messages to prospective students using Mautic CRM. Let's get started. To access the SMS section of Mautic, click Channels in the main menu and select Text Messages. Here you can see all of your SMS campaigns as well as create new ones. To create a new text message, simply click New in the top right-hand corner. The internal name of your text message is the campaign that you will see in Mautic, and the text message portion is the message that your prospective or current students will see on their mobile device. On the right-hand side, you can categorize your SMS messages in order to better organize your campaigns. And under Language, you can select which language the message is in, since Mautic enables you to create multilingual SMS campaigns. When you're happy with your text message, you can click Save and Close in the top right-hand corner. Note that doing this does not send any messages to your contacts, but rather creates a template that you can use to send to particular segments or certain contacts. Now we're going to take a look at how you can send individual SMS messages. First, navigate to the Contacts section of Mautic, and then select which contact you want to send a message to by simply clicking their name. Once you're in their contact profile, you can scroll down and select SMS History. From there, click Send SMS to start the process. You'll be first asked to select which phone number you want to send the message to. And then you can either create a custom message in this field right here, or you can import a message from a template that you've already created. When you're happy with your message, simply click Send. And that's it. Now you know how to send individual text messages in Mautic. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.